What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to a park off at where Ratanga Junction used to be. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'll put it in the title of this. I don't know if it's a company or what they are, but they're having a park off and we are going to attend. I say we because it's myself, and behind me is TJ, his golf, and then Devin with a polo. So yeah, we are almost there. But before today's video starts, I just want to thank you guys for all the support you've been giving me. I know in the last video, so I upload videos, I schedule them for one per week, and in the last video I said we are at 600 and something subscribers, and the goal is to get to 700, and by the time this video is going to go up, I'm sure we'll have 800 subscribers, because you guys are so amazing and I really do appreciate all the support. But just while we're on the subscriber topic, guys, it takes 2 seconds to subscribe. If you like the content you're seeing on the channel, just hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask of you. That's literally all you need to do. Just like the video, hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask. But yeah, thank you guys. That's enough of me preaching. Enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, I know I said the park is supposed to be at the where Ratanga Junction used to be at Canal Walk, but when we got there they told us we need to leave. I don't know what happened, and then we moved further down the road opposite Tiger Wheel and Tire, and when we got there I literally just dropped the car, and then they told us, yeah, we need to move because we can't be there. But now we are in one city at the McDonald's. It's a very well-known spot. So, my car over here, Devin's polo, the Owens, TJ. Show you this guy's car. I know you guys like it. Very nice. Just have a look at some of the cars that are here. It's a very small turnout, but I mean, it's nice. Nice for a Saturday. This thing's super neat. Holy crap. I almost walked past. Look at this interior. Nice. It's a nice wheel. Very nice. Of course, Shabba Manx. Show you guys this car over here. Lift and drive. Very nice Toyota Celica. Very nice. Then over here we have a bag polo. 9 and 3. I still need to install my headlights, my new stock headlights. But yeah, that's all a work in progress. This guy is a half cage in the back. Wheel of stance. Nice. Oh yeah, gents. Alright. What is the 335? 323. Nice. Raspberry. I think this was in the previous. This was in the Static Nation video. Can't remember. That sticker seems familiar. I think so. Very red on the inside. Uno, I think he parked next to us at the Mike's place. Well, next to the Tears or the Conquest. Yeah, there. Nice BMW. These go freak low apparently. Well, not apparently, I've seen it. They go really low. Guys, check the tire on this motorbike. This is the tire. There's my hand. The scale. Oh, it's sick. It's loud. Super loud. Yamaha. We haven't had a motorbike on the channel before. So this is the first. Looks nice though.
What happens is you release it on your bike. That will not pull in all the nutrients from the sun and everything you need to. It doesn't need the water anymore.
So this one is boosted by the looks of things. Sorry? Yeah. They're intercooler. Yeah. Nice. Nice car. Executives. Okay. Yeah, this car's clean on the inside. Holy crap. That does it? Nice. ATM chip tuning. So this car's probably faster than me. Take my duck. Real take my duck. Nice. Very different style for the Cape Town scene, and I like it. It's different. It's new, it's fresh. Nice one, man. Yeah. Nice. Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. And thank you guys once again for all the support you've been showing me. I'd just like to remind you, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. And I would also like to apologize for how short today's video is. There wasn't much to see, and the moving around just made it very how can I say, not liquor, but yeah, it was a liquor day, but it could have been better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for showing love and for the support, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.